Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
No, come on. I don't have the people over here. This doesn't seem to be working. Some issue with that? Alright. So what I've done right now is for this particular organization, Supervisory Organization, which is Technology Consulting NA. I've created multiple open positions right now. I've created like something around 20 positions right now, which are currently unfilled, which means all these positions are available for hiring. And if you see the availability date over here, I've given it as yesterday, which is the system date as of now and the earliest hire date. I've given it as yesterday again. So I've given the earliest hire date for both. Sorry, I've given yesterday's date as for both availability date and earliest hire date. Alright. So, which means I can start hiring right from this particular moment onwards for this particular position, which is test position RA. So I've created 20 such positions. Now I just want one question. Right now, I think I have one question which I wanted to discuss with you all. We've seen this hire simplified business process. And when I go to all the business processes which are there, I see multiple business process definitions. I could be having something like more than 20 or 30 business process definitions, which have been created all together. How will I know which business process is for this specified organization, which is technology consulting? How will I know which business process is for technology consulting? How will I link that? How will I link that? If you see over here, we saw about 2 methods over there. 1. I'm just opening this particular business process. I can create what is called a supervisory organization-based business processes. Or I can also create what is called as a rule-based business process. We're going to see the first method right now. So what I do is I go to hire simplified business process related actions, and I come across to business process, and I say copy or link, business process definition. I say copy or link business process. I give a go to the effective rate. Always, when you create a business process, say that the effective date is 1/1900. Do not create a business process, which is going to be from current date. The reason being, if I want to do a retro hire for something in the past, I will not be able to use this particular business process. So the recommended approach for creation of any business process, the effective date should only be 1/1900 and not something. And I go to copy workflow definition to business process. Alright. Here you can do something like create, or I can even give it like tech consulting. And I can create one for this particular technology consulting in A. And if I go to the related actions, it is going to pop up. What is the type of this particular supervisory organization? Alright. So, 2 activities for you. 1. You have to create a business process specific to the supervisory organization that you have already created. That is number 1. And number 2, when it goes to hiring, hire it for the technology consulting any. That's the 2 activities that you need to do. Now I'm going to create a definition for tech consulting any. What I did was I went to the Hire Simplified Business Process and I say copy or link the business process definition. And when you do it, if you're doing along with me or if you're going to do it after the session, you can use the Hire Simplified Business Process. How you open, that is, go to the BP or go to the search type, BP, hire space, simplified or simple. You can just use first 2 characters. That should be good. So you will get the business process definition, which is for hire within braces, simplified related actions. Business process copy or link, business process definition. You will get this particular pop-up here. Give the effective date as 1/1/1900 only by default. It will give it as current date, but give it only as 1/1/1900. Don't give any other days. I've already explained the reason for that, and then come to the workflow definition. Choose workflow definition to business object and don't choose this one. We will see this later. Choose only copy workflow definition to business object and here give your supervisory organization name. In this way, create one specific for you, all right. Now I'm going to be using Tech Consulting, which is the supervisory organization of Carolee, which is my user. But click OK. Workflow definition. Probably there is already one for this. Is there already a business process for this? Oh, okay. There's already one which is created by somebody else for this. So let me just knock it out. Not a problem. Okay, they've created a very lean one. I'm just deleting it. Okay, this is being used somewhere. Okay. Thank you. Okay, they've created some kind of issue over here. Alright. For now, I'll just create one for my tech consulting. I'll show you this method. For now, I'm just putting it as tech consulting. Any sign? Then I will show you what exactly. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. What is the problem? The supergs that we created are not effective as on 1-1-1900s. Okay. I'm just putting 1s. NSDist support. I'm just putting it as current day today. So it should work. So you'll be able to hire one for your supervisory organization effective today.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.